Hello, this is Ray Dockery, CEO of iRaise. We're back for training for white label members. This is video number 2. And where we left off at is basically talking about the social media marketing tool and all the tools under the marketing on your dashboard. So the first one we're going to talk about here is the social media. And like I said before, this is a cool tool to use. And basically, when you first get your website, you want to come in here and sign in. So you're going to sign into your Facebook business page, and you want to Facebook business page or fan page or whatever you want to call it, and you can sign into your Twitter account as well. But what this tool actually lets you do is you can go down here to products, right? And let's say, for instance, we're going to all our product categories. Like we can go in here, and then what we're going to do is go to, for instance, 360 frontals. We say we want to put an ad out for 360 frontals. So as you can see, it made a small link here, and this link right here is going to show the product. So if you posted on Facebook before, sometimes you notice when you post a link, the link actually shows the picture and everything. So what happens is you're going to have this link here, and then you're able to add any text you want in here. And once you add that text, you submit it. And then once you submit it, it's going straight to your Facebook page. So it's being put right onto your page as an ad. So depending on what products you want to talk about and advertise, you can actually do them from here from your back panel and post them directly to your Facebook page. So this is a very powerful tool, and I know that a lot of our white label members use it, and we use it as well. This option here is the Facebook store option. If you have, and I'm not going to cover this because everybody is not using the Facebook store, but if you ever go to your Facebook fan page or business page, they do have an option where you can add your products. And as you add your products to your business page, that's what's allowing you to say that you have a Facebook store. But you can connect your Facebook store to this dashboard as well. You have up here another option, which is sell on eBay and sell on Amazon. These two options right here are very detailed, and it takes a lot of training to actually go through all of this. We do have a team that will help you and guide you through if you want to sell on eBay or sell on Amazon. But keep in mind, once you sell on eBay and sell on Amazon, you pay them charges for using their services. So it's not something that is covered by us. It's just a avenue from your dashboard for you to work with eBay and Amazon to sell your products. Again, it's not connected to an iRaise, and it's not a free service that we pay for. You pay eBay or you pay Amazon. On this one here, you can make coupon discounts, and basically with this here, you just make discounts. So say for instance, you say before you check out, use the promotion code for sale, and it gives them a 20% discount. This is where you set this up at. You're able to do gift certificates as well. And if customers come to your website and they can buy a gift certificate, or you can actually give out free gift certificates to your website if so people can come shop for free. So that's one of the marketing tools that you can use to get people to come to your website by giving away products. I know that's not something normally people would like to do, but it works. The other one here is SEO, and SEO is pretty much for your SEO person that you hire to do SEO on your website. Once they come in here, they can set up all the meta tags and meta tag keywords and all this. We do have this service as well, but the service is not free because this service is something that's ongoing, and SEO provider or somebody who does SEO services it's an ongoing process for them to be working on it. Right here at affiliates, I know earlier I talked about the affiliate link earlier, this one here, and there was another one over here in reports. But here, once you come into your affiliate link, you will be able to see the orders from your affiliates and the money due to them. All right, so you're able to see, affiliate payouts and who you already paid. Like it actually shows the price. If you set the percentage for your affiliates at 10%, it would show that, okay, they had $100 order, you owe them $10. So it keeps track of everything, and you actually can pay out from this screen to your affiliates. All right, so that's all for marketing. So we're going to go into the inventory tab. Inventory tab, the first one is categories, right? So if the way your website is set up right now, on the top of your navigation menu, you would notice that you have hair extension type, closures, wigs, and you'll see this on the top of your website going across. So if you wanted to add a new category, this is how you would add a new category here. And you would just add a new category here. And if you need help with doing this, my team will help you walk you through this. And we also have a 1-800 number as well that you can call, and they can walk you through it. Remember, your website already comes preloaded with stuff already, with products. So if you want to change a name, let's just say if you don't want it to say hair extension types and you wanted to edit that product, you can edit the name. All right, you can edit the name here and call it whatever you want. So there's some options of things that you can do that you know for sure that wouldn't break your website and allow your site not to function right. So, just changing descriptions of, if you want to say something different in closures, or you want to say something different in wigs, maybe you have a certain verbiage that you want to use on your categories, then so be it. You can do that. And underneath it, you notice when hair extension type is a category, and all of these here are subcategories. So the subcategories here, you can also change the text if you want to. Don't really suggest it because it's straightforward and it says what the product is. So, but if you want to add something different, you can. And if you want to add a new product, say if you have a different hair extension type, you notice we got sew-in, tape-in, clip-in, micro loop, nano ring, and pre-bonded tips. If you want to add something different here, you can just add another product by pressing this plus button here. All right. So this here is pretty straightforward as well. Again, if you need more guidance on how to do this, then just give us a call and we'll be glad to help you. Products is one of the main things that you probably be doing a lot of edits and different verbiage. And this is really pretty much wide open for you to do anything you want with it. So let's go, for instance, say that we want to edit this product. We'll go in here and edit the product. And once you edit the product or hit the button to edit the product, you can come in here and you can add descriptions for the product. You can change the price of the product. You can change the name of the product. You can change the picture of the product right here where it says image management. So you can easily delete any of these, and you can add any picture that you want. You also could come in here and you can add a YouTube video. So let's say if you're a hairstylist and you wanted to make a video on how to install this product, you can actually make a video here and add that video to the product. So when they open the product, the video is actually there for them to play it. All right. So this is how you come in and edit your product if you would like to. Change the pictures, change the name, change it or add a description. You can all do it. You do it all from there. So that's the products page. What else from here in the products page? Just make sure I'm not missing anything. All right. Let's say, for instance, if you wanted to add a new product, I always tell people you want to go to the product that normally or a product that you already had on your website that's identical to the one you have. It's just different. So let's say if it's a new ombre color you want to come out with, you want to go to your product that's an ombre product because you won't have to create all of the options on there. All right, all the variances, you don't have to create them again.